This question is to solving a quadratic inequality problem where the solution set of an initial inequality is given. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright all rights reserved. Thank you so much. The inequality 2x squared minus 7x plus c is greater than 0 has a solution set consisting of all x such that x is greater than -1 and less than 2. Then, what is the solution set of 2x squared plus 7x plus c is greater than 0? There are 4 options. First step, identify the roots of the first quadratic. We are told that the inequality 2x squared minus 7x plus c is greater than 0 is true only between -1 and 2. That means the corresponding quadratic equation, 2x squared minus 7x plus c equals 0, has 2 roots. One at x equals -1 and the other at x equals 2. Then, next step, use Vieta's formulas to find a and c. For a quadratic of the form, x squared minus 7x plus c equals 0. The sum of the 2 roots equals 7 divided by a, and the product of the 2 roots equals c divided by a. Substitute the 2 roots, -1 and 2. Their sum is 1, and their product is -2. So 7 divided by a equals 1, giving it equals 7. Then, c divided by a equals -2, so c equals -14. Next step, write the original inequality. Substituting these values, we have 7x squared minus 7x minus 14 is greater than 0. If we divide both sides by 7, we get x squared minus x minus 2 is greater than 0. This equation indeed has roots at x equals -1 and x equals 2, which confirms the given information. Next step, solve the new inequality. Now consider 7x squared plus 7x minus 14 is greater than 0. Dividing both sides by 7 gives x squared plus x minus 2 is greater than 0. To find the roots, we solve x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. That yields x equals -2 and x equals 1. Because the leading coefficient is positive, the quadratic expression is greater than 0 outside the interval between these roots. Therefore, the solution set is all x such that x is less than -2 or greater than 1. Option B, all x such that x is less than -2 or greater than 1. When the sign in front of the x term changes, the 2 roots of the quadratic reflect symmetrically across the vertical axis. In other words, flipping the sign before the x term mirrors the solution interval. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.